back to the video, everybody. Today we are going to be going and checking out a marketplace find, but not for me. It's going to be for my buddy Eric. He hasn't had a bike yet. No dirt bikes, no motorcycles, no nothing. And he's been interested in getting a Z125. So we're going to go check this one out and see what it's all about. It looked like a really good deal off marketplace. So we'll talk more about it when he gets here in a second and we get headed over there. You ready to head over? Dude, so he gave me his number and I just tried to text it, tell him we're on the way, and it said it was a landline. I was like, what? All right, take two. He's pre-filling out his little bill of sale, but let's take a look at this bike here. First of all, he lists it as a 2017 Honda Grom, which I get it. Maybe you didn't find a selection for the Z or something like that, but 2,500. It says 300 miles, under 300 miles, so that's a really good deal. It has also has that Yoshi exhaust on it, which is, I know, at least $300 to $400. Even though it's a 2017, 300 miles on that, that's a good deal right there. And another reason I think that as well is honestly because the first thing I said was, I have $2,250 cash, would you take that? And he just said yes right away. Let's show his profile again. So right here, I don't know, it just gives out burner account vibes, doesn't it? I don't know. But Jesse Jackson, super basic name, and then this picture, we'll see if it's him when we get there, but that little line to me looks like it's just a little screenshot, and he says it's a YouTuber.
Scam calls or something like that.
So we'll see. I don't know. She looks clean. About to get it here.
Should I get the cash?
Woo! Yeah, you can grab the cash. Oh, that thing looks clean, man.
He didn't even count it.
Oh, I don't even think I was recording. All right, we picked up the bike here. Well, you happy with it?
Oh my gosh, too clean, too clean.
It's a good deal. It's $2,250 for that bike, and it's got 300 miles on it. It's super clean, kind of like my bike was when I got it. And but this one has a Yoshi pipe on it, so that right there, like I was saying, $300 to $400, maybe even more. But we'll take another look at it here in a few minutes. Feels good? Everything feel good like my bike did?
Oh yeah.
Woo. That Yoshi exhaust is just sexy. I love that. The little red bracket right there. Everything. Apparently it's got a Chimera. It looks like a Chimera intake on it too, which is like an open intake. So that might make it a little quicker than mine. Let's throw on the helmets and go. All right, here we go.
Dude, I'm excited.
Let's go. All right, we got Eric on the new bike ripping. Woo! That Yoshi sounds good. That's a clean bike. I'm gonna have to ride it and see, because that has a open air filter. It's got like the Chimera intake, which might give it, look at these deer, which might give it a little bit more power than mine. I don't know. There he goes. Alright, Noah came out on the Grom too to check out the new bike. It's getting dark here. We're gonna rip for a few more minutes, but I'll probably close out the video here since it's getting dark. You'll definitely be seeing a lot more of that new Z on the channel for sure though. We'll do a lot of riding together. As always, in terms of the Z125, if you were looking for the levers I got, or my exhaust, or my fender eliminator, I do link all that in the description below. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next one.